So you're thinking you need to replace your roof and you want to know how much it's going to cost you. I can help you with that. Let's check it out. Welcome to Energy Advantage. Thank you so much for joining me today. So, your roof hopefully just needs a fix, but most likely you may need to replace your roof and you want to get an idea of how much it's going to cost you to replace your roof. Today, we are going to talk about the different types of material and the average price range for each one of these materials. Okay, so let's start off with talking about the different types of materials that I am going to mention in this video. Understand that I am obviously going to get into a bit more detail about each one of these materials and their price range later in the video. The different types of roofing materials that we're going to mention in this video are 3-tab shingles, architectural shingles, concrete tiles, clay tiles, and metal roofs. Now, it's really important to understand that the price can vary drastically for each one of these materials depending on quite a few factors. Number one, the size of your roof. Now, obviously, the bigger the roof, the more labor, the more materials, the more it's going to cost you. Underlayment. So obviously, depending on the type of environment that you live in, for instance, if you live in a very snowy environment, you're gonna need a lot of underlayment, which of course increases the price of your roof. Number 3, the type of contractor that you hire. Being a roofing and a solar company, we know a thing or two about roofing. So obviously we do recommend that you hire a great contractor, somebody who is licensed and who works with high quality materials. The other thing I really want to point out is that your contractor has an effect on your warranties. So your warranties can be denied if you do not hire a licensed contractor. Just something to think about. Number 4, the grades of the material that you choose. So like anything, you can buy high grade or low grade materials. So this goes for each one of the ones that I mentioned before, from shingles to metal. Obviously, the higher the grade, the more expensive. However, the better the material. Number 5, how high and steep your roof is. Obviously, the higher the roof, the more steep your roof is, it's a lot more work for the contractor. So that's something else that you need to take into consideration. Number 6, location. Well, depending where you live, depending on the environment that you live, that can also have an effect on the price. So as I mentioned, as I'm going through each one of these materials, I want you to remember about these facts because they all have an effect on the price. Okay, so let's start with 3-tab shingles. 3-tab shingles on average is about $4 per square foot. So this can range anywhere between, let's say, $4,000 to $15,000 to replace a roof. Now, 3-tab is the cheapest material that you can get for your roof. And this is a great option for homeowners who are on a budget or who want to rent their home. This material, however, does have one of the shortest lifespans of 15 to 20 years. Now, remember, obviously it being cheaper, it's not as durable as all the other materials. So this material is very much affected by its environment, which is why it's super important to have regular maintenance and really good roof ventilation. If you live in an extreme environment, such as, let's just say, snow, I would recommend to upgrade your shingles. Architectural shingles. An architectural shingle roof ranges anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000. In fact, the national average is $24,000. Now, this can range anywhere between $5 to $7 per square foot. This is a great material, and of course, it is very popular. It is durable and affordable, and it has a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. Now, of course, if you're going to go with shingles, architectural shingles are what we obviously recommend. Another note is that they have a wind resistance of up to 130 miles per hour in compared to the 3-tab shingles, which is 60 miles per hour. Concrete tiles. Concrete tiles typically cost anywhere between $4 to $7.20 per square foot. And it averages anywhere between $19,000 to $36,000 for a new roof. The great thing about this material is that it actually has a lifespan of 50 years plus and are an amazing roofing option for extreme environments. Clay tiles. Clay tiles average anywhere between $7.80 to $14 per square foot. So a clay roof will cost anywhere between $23,000 and $42,000. They also have an amazing lifespan of 50 years plus, and they are an incredible choice for coastal homes. Metal roofs. So metal roofs can cost anywhere between $7 and $29 per square foot. So the average price for a metal roof goes anywhere between $12,000 and $45,000. Now, there is a reason, of course, why they cost so much, because they are one of the top materials that you can choose for your roof. They have a lifespan of 50 years plus, and they are one of the best choices, especially if you live in extreme environments, such as snowy environments. Now, I actually have made a video on the different types of roof that work best for the environment that you live in, so I do recommend you go and check out that video to get a little bit more information about this topic. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you got some good information out of this video. Please leave a comment below. Let me know of any other videos that you would like me to make. As always, if you would like a roofing quote or a solar quote from us, you can go to our website or click the description box below. Have a good day.